Imagine a Ferrari with 4 doors, 4 seats and true everyday practicality, yet still powered by the roaring heart of a supercar. That idea sounds impossible, but Ferrari made it real with the Purosangue. For decades, Ferrari was known only for 2-door coupes and extreme performance machines. But many enthusiasts wanted a car that offered luxury, speed and daily usability together. To meet that demand, Ferrari created the Purosangue, the brand's first production 4-door 4-seater, a car that dares to be different while staying unmistakably Ferrari. The Purosangue does not try to look like a bulky SUV. Instead, it carries sleek lines, a low aggressive stance, and proportions closer to a GT car than a traditional utility vehicle. One of its standout features is the rear-hinged passenger doors, designed to provide easier access and maintain elegant, compact styling. From the bold front fascia to the sculpted side curves, every angle reflects Ferrari attitude, identity, and performance. Inside, the Purosangue surprises with a spacious premium cabin. There are 4 individual seats with generous legroom and comfort for both front and rear passengers. The interior blends Ferrari's sporty feel with real-world practicality, offering room for daily commuting, long journeys, or weekend travel without sacrificing the sense of excitement. Under the hood lies a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12, producing around 715 horsepower. Paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and all-wheel drive, it rockets from 0 to 60 in about 3.3 seconds and reaches a top speed close to 193 miles per hour. Active suspension and refined driving dynamics allow the Purosangue to deliver both supercar thrill and smooth everyday comfort. The Purosangue offers a rare mix of performance, space, and luxury. Still, running costs and fuel consumption are high, and purists may miss the traditional 2-door supercar feel. But for anyone who wants Ferrari power with real-world versatility, the Purosangue shows that you can have performance, luxury, and practicality in one bold Ferrari creation.